Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in Google Photos app in Android 15 beta. First go to Photos, and now you can hide photos by selecting them. You can select multiple ones and then choose Move to Locked folder, then Continue, Move, and now your photos are being moved to Locked folder. To view the folder, go to Library and click on Locked. Now to open Locked folder, you need to touch the fingerprint on or enter your password. And here are your locked photos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.